Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and today I will be putting my Hercules Hammer Drill to the test. Now, I purchased this over a year ago. I did a video on it. For me, a lot of hits on this video on the Hercules. I purchased it at Harbor Freight Tools. See link below. It's also available on Amazon. Please also see the link below. And my initial video was just a review of it, and I liked it so far. Again, it's been over a year since I've had it, and I've used it many times, and I have no complaints about this drill whatsoever. But this will be the test for it. Basically, this is part of a larger project. I'm putting in an extended pad for a patio and eventually a pergola will be built here. And for this pad, which is approximately 12 feet by 22 feet, I'll be putting rebar, 3/8 inch rebar, 18 inches apart. And what I'm going to do is tie in to this slab and the slab that the foundation is built upon. So I'm just going to be drilling in a few inches, every 18 inches, and I'll stick the rebar in there, and it'll give support to the rest of the pad. And I'll put 18-inch rebar going this way as well. Separate video, see link below for that project. But for this video, again, I'll be putting the Hercules to a test and tell you if it can handle it. Okay, a couple more things before I begin. I put a masonry bit on, so this is a 3/8 inch masonry bit. So the very front, you can tell that it's for going through concrete and bricks and stuff. Second thing is, so the settings on the top of the drill, you have your drilling setting, and this then would be for for screwing in screws. But the hammer setting is what we need, so let's click that to hammer. And what that means, you really can't tell just by holding it like that, but when you put it next to a hard surface on the hammer, it's just going to vibrate, and it's enough just really to just cut through the concrete as you drill. And I've used some hammer drills that have been lousy, couldn't do anything. But this one in the past has been really good, but we'll put it to the test and we'll see if it can handle this job. It goes in like butter. I'm telling you, this works really well. Okay, what's the verdict? Could this Hercules hammer drill handle it? And the answer is most definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 holes. And again, that's 3/8 inch drill bit, and it handled all of them. Now, truth be told, the very last hole, I noticed it slowing down a little bit, but that's a lot of battery power, and it just did a great job. If anything, the drill bit started to wear out a little bit, but overall, I'm impressed with this drill. Again, I've had it for over a year, and it's been very reliable, very dependable, and I would have no problems buying another one at Harbor Freight or through Amazon. This is Scott with Scott's Garage. If you like the video, please hit like. I would love it when people do that. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Scott's Garage. And as always, have a great day.